Repeat here, folks. Merry Christmas. It's Saturday, December 11th. I'm coming to you near Fairmont, Minnesota, in the middle of a Minnesota blizzard. We've got 8 to 12 inches of snow today, 30-mile-an-hour winds, temperature dropping to down near zero. But you know what? We've got a heck of a farm auction going on today, and a lot of hardy souls made it out to the sale. We've got an incredible line of late model equipment today, featuring a lot of 2010 model John Deere equipment. I love Minnesota. I grew up here, but sometimes I wonder, and I forgot my suntan lotion today. But anyway, a lot of 2010 model equipment on the sale today. 9770 STS combine, some John Deere tractors. Should be a heck of a sale. Let's go check it out.
STS combine, 258 engine hours, 214 step hours on it. It's got 20.8, 42 rubber with Dura, contour master on it. It's got the mower bend extension, high capacity unload auger. It's got the dialmatic. It's got the DAS. It's got the 4.5. It's got the high capacity lift cylinder. It's got the heavy duty final drive and the premier cab on it, gentlemen. It's a 2010 9770 STS. With lot number 41 with 258 engine and 214 step hours. Gentlemen, we're selling the base combine, lot number 41. Lot number 41. Right there, gentlemen, on the base combine. How many dollars on it? We've got 250 on it. There's 250 on it. 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 175. They have 150 and 75, about 500, 150 down, about 175. They have 150 and 75, about 500, 175, 150 down, 75. They have 150, 75, 75, 75, 200 down, got 175, about 2. They got 175, about 200,000 bill. 175, about 200, 285, 175, 85, 175, 85, 200, 210. I got 200 down, 210. I got 200,000 down, 210. I got 200 grand, 210. That's 200 but the 210 now 15. That's 210. The internet's out, 215. That's 210, 215. And you're out. The internet's out, 215. I got 210 over there, 215. I got 210 now 15. Down, down, 210 now 15. Down, down, 210 now 15. That's 210 now 15. Down, down, 15. Down, down, 210 now 15. Down, down, 15. Down, down, 210 now 15. That's 210, 215. I got 210 now 15. Down, down, 15. Down, down, 210 now 15. Down, down, 210 now 15. That's 210, 215. That's 210 now 15. Down, down, 210 now 15. Down, down, 210 now 15. 12.5. That'll help. 210, 212.5. That's 12.5. That's 212.5. That's 210, 212.5. 112.5. 210, 12.5. 210, 212.5. That's 12.5. 112.5. 112.5. 210, 212.5. That's 212.5. Guys, study your lesson. Look at the value. Look at the machine. Look at the home it's at. We got a combine under the money. 212.5. That's 210, 212.5. I got 210 over here. 212.5. You're out internet. That's 212.5. I got 210, 212.5. That's 210, 12.5. That's 210, 12.5. 12.5. 210, 12.5. What about 12.5? That's 210, 12.5. What about 12.5? Anybody else? 210, 212.5. That's 210, 12.5. I'll take 11 one time. 210, 211. Anybody else? 210, 211. As long as we're moving ahead. That's 210, 211. I got 210, 211. Money's dead. 211, 212. Now you're out. 212. That's 212. Now did you say 12? Yep. Now 13, Ryan. That's 212, 213. That's 212, 213. That's 212 down 13 down to the bell. That's 212 and 112 down 13 down to the bell. That's 212, 13. That's 212 and 113 down to the bell. That's 212, 13 down to the bell. That's 212, 13. That's 212 now 13 down to the 212, 13. That's 212 down to the bell. That's 13 down to the bell. That's 212, 13. That's 212 down to the give me 13 down to the bell. That's 212, 13. What do you say? 212, 213. That's 212 down to the 13. Right now, 213, 12 down 13. That's 12, 13. Everybody else, 12, 213. Gotta go, gentlemen, 212. Gotta get that around. 212, 213. And I have everybody else, 212, 213. Everybody else, 213. Give it a new home. 212 right there. Buyer number is 293. Is that correct? 293. Thanks. Thanks, Scott. All right, there we go. We are.